The armed forces of Russia and Ukraine reported the front-line progress in the last 24 hours. The armed clashes continued in some areas June 5. Krasny Liman direction, the attacks, launched by operational tactical and army aviation, as well as artillery of the Tsentr Group of Forces, have resulted in the neutralisation of AFU units near Yampolovka, Torskoye, Donetsk People's Republic, Makeevka, Poschanka, Nevskoye and Chervonaya Dibrova, Lugansk People's Republic, as well as Serebryansky forestry. One Ukrainian sabotage and reconnaissance group has been neutralised close to Grigorovka, Donetsk People's Republic, said Igor Konasphenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesman. The enemy losses were up to 65 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 armoured fighting vehicles, 3 pickup trucks, D-20 and D-30 howitzers, as well as 2 Gvozdika self-propelled artillery systems. One ammunition depot of the AFU 63th Mechanised Brigade has been destroyed near Serebryanka, Donetsk People's Republic. Lieutenant General Igor Konasphenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson, said in total the armed forces of Ukraine lost 433 fighter jets, 236 helicopters, 4,486 unmanned aerial vehicles, 424 air defense missile systems and 9,431 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles. Also 1,114 fighting vehicles equipped with MLRS, 5,009 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,688 special military motor vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side from Kyiv, the armed forces of Ukraine in an official statement June 5 said Russia lost 410 servicemen in a single day, including 11 tanks, 11 armored combat vehicles as well as 12 artillery units and 14 drones. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky thanked all strategic partners who help Ukraine. Russia and Ukraine conflict has been lasting for 467 days. There is still no peace settlement between two sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!